How often clean an air filter completely? Cleaning an air filter is an essential task to ensure clean air for breathing as well as the proper function of the AC system. But, how often clean an air filter? It plays a vital role to ensure good health by supplying fresh air. When we have a cleanable or replaceable air filter, we need to take steps for cleaning so that it can work properly for ensuring indoor air quality. The filter traps dust, dirt particles that can cause allergies, and bad effects on the respiratory system. We should clean the car air filter so that the air conditioner can work properly. We can get comfortable inside the car, otherwise evaporator coil and condenser coil may be hampered. Cleaning the air filter is an easy process. We can clean it in less than 1 hour, but it can be damaged without knowing the cleaning process. In our houses, we use several appliances that have air filters. To get the highest performance, we should clean the air filter, HVAC filter, cabin filter, furnace filter, AC filter, HEPA filter, vent filter, garden hose filter, oil filter regularly. The cabin filter is also known as AC filter. In respect of air, there is some difference between filter and purifier. Filters clean the air, and air purifiers sanitize the air by emitting negative ions, ozone, etc. Air filter collects dust while air purifier removes pathogens as well as airborne particles. Air purifiers with HEPA filters can remove dust mites. When the air purifier becomes an old air filter, dirty air filter, and clogged air filter, we need to ensure air purifier filter replacement. Why we should change the air filter? As air filters catch dust, dirt, pet hair, and other pollutant particles, an air conditioning system can supply clean air inside the home. When the home's filter is filled with debris, dust particles, and other pollutants, we need to clean the filter for maintaining airflow quality. We have to face several problems due to dirty air filters. When the HVAC air filter is blocked, it is difficult for the HVAC system to continue heating and cooling system. For this reason, we need to run this system for a long time. We need more energy to run the system. So we have to pay more energy bills. When dirty air filters do not work properly, we have to face dust and allergens inside the home. Dust and allergens can cause a bad impact on our health and indoor air. We can use fiberglass filters for catching large particles from the home's air. We should check the home's air filter regularly. When we have a dirty clogged filter, it is difficult for AC unit to take air through the filter. For taking air, the system expenses more power that can cause hamper on the system. Filling with dust, debris, furnace, and layer of dirt can cause a problem on the HVAC system. In the case of the engine air filter, we need to clean the filter properly for ensuring the combustion process. A clean air filter increases fuel efficiency. A dirty air filter causes energy costs too much. For this reason, we need more monthly energy. When a cabin air filter becomes a clogged air filter due to pollutants and other contaminants, we need to clean the filter, otherwise cleaner air can't flow. What factors depend on changing an air filter? For changing an air filter, we should consider some factors. Changing an air filter depends on what type of filter we use. All filters are not effective equally. When we buy lower quality fiberglass filters, it costs less price, but we need to change them every month. On the other hand, pleated air filter is a high quality filter that can be lasted up to 90 days. When we have our own pets, pet dander can cause a problem, so we need to change our clogged air filters regularly after 2 months interval. We need to remove pet dander regularly for ensuring a clean filter. If anyone has an allergy problem, for allergy sufferers, small dust particles can cause severe allergies to health. For ensuring clean air, we need to change the air filter every 50 days. When we have children in our home, we need to home's air filter. So we need to replace the home air filter every 2 months. If we have an HVAC unit that runs regularly in our house, we need to replace it regularly. When we use an HVAC system few times a year, we should replace the air filter after a period of time. 6 or 12 months will be better. How often we should clean or change air filters? We should clean the air filter regularly for ensuring maximum efficiency to lose dirt. For ensuring the best result to remove excess dust, we need to maintain the service schedule properly. Everybody wants to know how often to clean air filters. It will be great if we change air filters every 2 to 3 months. We need to clean the filter regularly if lots of dust, contaminants, or pet hair are found in the home. We need grease to seal the filter. After greasing, we should use the grease clean option to remove messy grease. We can easily find out what we should do for air filters. First, the air filter needs to be removed from its place. Next, it is essential to hold the filter up to bright light or window. When the light comes, we can use it for more days. When no light comes through, it needs to be changed. We should always remember the replacement cycle. In respect of the AC unit, the evaporator and condenser coil collect dirt for a long time. Due to having an air filter, they can't be polluted quickly. Dirt restricts normal airflow, and reduces heat transfer rate. For ensuring better results, we need to do air filter maintenance regularly. Among the filters, the pleated filter is the best. The pleated air filter is durable. Pleated filter is also expensive. It has span MERV ratings 5 to 12 and a much extended lifespan compared to other counterparts. MERV rating indicates new filter efficiency to trap airborne particles. When a home filter has a higher MERV rating, few particles are able to pass with airflow. For furnace filter size 1 to 2 inches, we should replace them after a couple of months. For 3 to 4 inch filters, we should replace them every 6 months to 9 months. We can also use a cheaper fiberglass filter, but it is not suitable for cleaning small dust particles and health reasons. We should always use a quality fiberglass filter. We need to maintain indoor air quality. We should do air filter maintenance regularly for AC filter, HVAC filter, car air filter. We need to clean the dirty filter regularly for ensuring the HVAC unit functional. We should always maintain normal airflow at intake vents and output vents. We need to use airflow arrows on the wall or ceiling. It indicates which direction the filter has to face. Clean or replace. What can we do? When we have a dirty filter, it is essential to clean or replace the air filter for running the system smoothly. All the filters need not be cleaned or replaced. By observing filter conditions, we can decide for cleaning and changing. When we choose one-time filter, disposable filters can be the better option. Disposable filters are not as costly as washable filters. Cardboard is used to make disposable filters frames. If we clean disposable filters, mold and mildew can grow. In contrast to disposable filters, washable filters have plastic or metal frames that are suitable for the environment but difficult to maintain. We should also read the manual attentively. From the manual, we can know how to clean or replace air filters properly. For knowing more information, we can visit the manufacturer's website. Washable filters are permanent filters. They can last long. We can use blue air filters. It is a filter with a HEPA filter. Blue air filters can collect large dust particles to protect air. For cleaning, what we need. For cleaning air filter, we need warm water, washing liquid. For cleaning, we also need some tools such as a vacuum cleaner, water sprayer, soft bristled brush, microfiber cloths, etc. How to clean an air filter. When we want to clean an air filter of the HVAC system, it is mandatory to stop the system. In order to avoid electric shock, we need to unplug a small appliance. As air filters can suck excess dust, during running an HVAC system we should avoid air filter cleaning. Filter cover should be opened carefully. We should use a vacuum and brush to clean both sides of the filter. Warm water and spray attachment can be used to remove smaller dust particles. When the filter frame becomes dusty, we need to use warm water and dishwashing liquid to remove dust. Before reinserting, we should dry an air filter with a soft towel. We can also use a fan to dry an air filter. We should tap the air filter to shake out excess water. We can also use foam filters, paper filters to clean air. Fiberglass, polyester, and cotton are essential elements for making air filters. These are always used as an air filter element. Permanent filters can be washed by using warm water. For removing odd, we should use baking soda. We should always follow professional maintenance for cleaning the air filter. For ensuring proper service, we should check after periods. We should always maintain a proper time frame for checking. How to change an air filter. For changing an old air filter by a new filter to solve dusty conditions problem, we need to follow some following steps for air filter replacement. There are various types of filters. The type of filter material used depends on the application. We should buy the right size filter. We can't insert a filter if we don't have the right size filter. Before buying, we should use a measuring tape to check its length, width, and depth. Before setting up an air filter, we should turn off the system. We should locate the filter correctly. After that, the cover from the air filter should be removed. Then the old filter should be taken out and then insert a new one. After replacing the filter, we should turn on the system. We should ensure the system is running smoothly. We should always store replacement filters for an emergency condition. Currently, air filter plays an important role for providing cleaner air to run the system. We should always use a quality filter to get the best result. We should choose quality air filters, otherwise we have to cost thousands of dollars for repairs. The air filter is a key component for maintaining air quality. Poor air quality hampers the system. When we buy, we should choose air filter model properly. It is a great accessory for enjoying a better environment and avoiding health concerns. When we change the clogged air filter, we should select a replacement filter that has massive quality.